Hey my dear worldwide viewers, this is all new VIVO X80 which I have just got a chance to do a quick hands-on review in my local digital store. So you can see this is how it looks. It has large 6.7 inch 3D curved Full HD AMOLED display panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits brightness. The back has its cloud window camera modules design and it is covered by Zeiss lens and ghost reducing coating. If I quickly talk about its heart, then yes, it is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor with Vivo V1 Plus chipset. As usual, this phone runs on Vivo Fantas OS 12 based on Android 12.0. This is the 8GB RAM version with 128GB internal memory. RAM can be extended up to 4GB virtually and it has another 256GB ROM variant. This phone has powerhouse of 4500 mAh battery that has capability to charge with 80 watt flash charge adapter. Now coming to its main USP, camera. This VIVO X80 has triple camera setup. The main lens is 50 megapixel Sony IMX 866 image sensor with 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The camera UI looks quite simple for this camera oriented smartphone. It has a lot of impressive low light frame capture capability. It has Zeiss background bokeh effect which gives your photo or video more professional look. For video, it can shoot at 4K 60 FPS but expected to be up to 8K recording. The video recording has impressive 360 horizon rock steady gimbal stabilization. Also, Pro mode is very useful at this VIVO X80 smartphone. As you know, it has 12 megapixel of telephoto lens, so it is capable of doing smart optical zoom up to 2x. That is quite helpful for landscape photo or videography. At the front, it has 32 megapixel front camera which is capable of taking low light good selfie and 4K 30 fps video. The front camera is 24mm wide and yes, rear camera has dual tone dual LED flash which looks quite good like this. This VIVO X80 costs pure 55k in the Indian market. However, that's all folk about VIVO X80. This is the retail unit, so I can't test it more. If you want a details review for camera and gaming, then give me 1000 likes and comment below about your desire. Then I will buy this unit and I will review it. So I have to catch you soon in that video. This is Sandhikshandas signing off. Have a good day.